IWM Stock ANALYSIS Thursday and onward. Is iShares Russell 2000 ETF stock a buy or not? Let's talk about it, right? This is the ETF. So it's sitting at $200 flat. Even post market is a little bit higher from where we actually closed. Before I get into the details and how I would play this, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So looking at iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Yes, I'm looking at it from a bullish lens. Honestly, would still take it higher. Do I have any previous drawings on it? Seems like seems like I don't. So, okay, I do. Yeah. Um, I mean, overall, exactly the same, exactly like what we did previously here. Um, but I'm honestly willing to take this thing even higher from a little bit of a lower time frame approach. For example, some demand areas here. Yes, this is a beautiful kind of demand area, even with this candle itself. So if the price goes inside that gray area and gives me a double break, then and only then I'm going to be bullish. That's why I'm going to put a wait sign here. And if the price doesn't give me the rules, then I'm not bearish. So it's not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.